in the winter, this is the hot waters, and when you 等一下啊，好，先关掉。So when you open the machines, and this is stop, and press this, fill up. You see, 你按着这个 when press the fill up, and it will let the hot water fill the silicon pipe, and you need to let this pipe hot first. Then if the pipe is hotter, then 把它去掉。Then you recycle the 退回。You recycle the hot water. You see now the pipe is empty now. Then you put these two silicon pipe in the harness, and you see 你把那个拿过来。You see now the harness temperature is about 61, and we set the temperature here, and actually the temperature is 60. And then 你按那个吧。Then we fill up the honey in the pipe here. Yes, you see, we need to keep the silicon pipe hotter. 差不多了吧？好。We press filling. For filling honey, the filling wall is about 12, and the filling time is about 2.5. Suck angle 300, and the suck speed 300. The tube type is 15, and then we is the filling time about 2.7. You need first shake. You see the screw will shake here, and then when you press standby, you see here we have two speeds. The second speed is what we set here, this speed, and then we just need to press start. It will work. When we start, it will. This is the filling time, and this is the speed. When winters, if the pipe is cold, when the machine stop works, the pipe is is cold, you need put this pipe, put this pipe here, and do this process again, and stop and press full fuse to let this. When you press this ones, you need warm this silicone hose hot again. Then you another pipe. You leave this one away. Leave this one away, and press place, and stand by, start. If not works, you need reset it, and press.